calls for a fire at Palmyra Coin-Up Laundry right around 10 in the morning. Just feet away from the laundromat is the Alling Coverlet Museum.
The Alling Coverlet Museum, which is next door, is closing for 2 months after smoke got into the building and caused significant smoke damage to the coverlets. We talked with Director of Historic Palmyra, Tracy Murphy, about what's next for the museum. She says the approximately 600 coverlets, which date back from the early to mid-1800s, are being sent to Buffalo to be restored.
Our Coverlet Museum houses the largest collection of hand-woven coverlets in the United States. So it is very important to us. And coverlets are woven blankets, typically late 1700s, early or into the 1800s. We sustained some smoke damage, some soot, and it was very upsetting. I have to say that when the group came in, it literally was renewal. You know, we basically treat each of our coverlets like a child, like a toddler. Once we saw the care that the team had, I felt much better. I knew they were in great hands. I am extremely happy with everything. Even when the coverlets were done in storage, you know, one of the team members would call and say, "Hey, we just wanted to give you an update. Everything's okay. We're storing them. Everything's fine." And that made me feel better too. Everybody I talked to was more than satisfactory. I mean, I don't even know if there's a word for it, but it was probably the best decision we've ever made, was to go with Renewal.